Let us learn the basics of ratio and proportion. If A and B, two numbers are given, A and B, and they are in the ratio 3:2, then A can be taken as 3x and B can be taken as 2x. Here x can be any number. If x is equal to say 2, then A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 2 into 2, 4. If x is equal to 3, then A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 2 into 3, 6. So this is a basic concept of ratio. So let us consider a simple question. In a class there are 25 girls and 40 boys. Find the ratio of girls and boys. So there are 25 girls and 40 boys. How can we find the ratio of girls and boys? Just divide 25 by ratio of girls and boys. So girls number should be numerator and boys number should be denominator. So 25 by 40. Have to simplify the fraction by dividing it with a common factor. So what is the common factor of 25 and 40? 5. So dividing by 5 we get 5 by 8. So now further simplification is possible. So the ratio between girls and boys is 5:8. So in this way we can calculate the ratio. Another question is here. Total number of students in a class is 100. The ratio of boys and girls is 2:3. Find the number of boys and girls. So the ratio is given. Boys and in the previous question we had the number of girls and boys and we had to find out the ratio. Here the ratio of boys and girls is given and the total number is also given. Then how can we find out the number of boys and girls? So if ratio between two numbers A is to B is equal to 2:3, the ratio between two numbers are given, then we can consider what we have seen earlier. We can consider A as 2x and B as 3x. Here x can be any number. So we have to find out that x first, then multiplying by the ratio we will get the actual numbers. So here the ratio between boys and girls is given as 2:3. So boys number can be taken as 2x and girls number can be taken as 3x. So total number of students is also given, which is equal to 100. So total student is equal to what? Boys plus girls. Number of boys plus number of girls is the total number of students. So 100 is equal to 2x plus 3x. Here we have taken boys number as 2x and girls number as 3x. So 100 total students is equal to 2x plus 3x, which is equal to 5x. So 100 is equal to 5x. From this we can find out the value of x here. X is equal to what? 100 divided by 5, which is equal to 20. X is equal to 100 divided by 5, which is equal to 20. So we have got the value of x as 20. So boys will be 2 into 20, which is equal to 40. And girls will be, number of girls will be 3 into 20, which is equal to 60. So the number of boys is equal to 40 and number of girls is equal to 60. So if we have given with the ratio and the total number, we have to consider the numbers as the multiples of the ratio 2x and 3x. Then find the value of x, multiply it with the ratio, then we will get the original number. Let's consider another simple question. If A and B are in the ratio 3:4 and B and C are in the ratio 12:13, then A and C will be in the ratio. So here the ratio between A and B is given, which is equal to 3:4. B and C are in the ratio 12:13. Then A is to C is what? That is a question. So A is to B is equal to 3:4. B is to C is equal to 12:13. So here the common factor is B. So we can write like this: A, B, C. So A is to B is what? 3:4. B is to C is 12:13. So here B is the common factor. So in both the condition, B has different values. So how can we make the value of B the same? By multiplying 4 with 3, we will get it as 12. So we will get the value of B in both the cases 12 by multiplying 4 with 3. So if we multiply 4 with 3, we have to multiply the ratio with the common factor. So here if we multiply 4 with 3, then we have to multiply 3 also with 3. So the value of A and B, what we have got, the new ratio will be 9:12. So we have already given that B is to 3 is 12:13. So from that we got 9:12:13 as the ratio of A, B and C. So from this we will get easily the ratio of A and C as 9:13. So first what we have to do, we have to make the common factor the same if they are given as different values. So here B was the common factor. It was 12 here and 4 here. So we have to make the common value same first. For that we have to multiply it with some numbers. So here we had to multiply it with 3. So here the ratio of A and B was 3:4. If we multiply 4, the ratio of B with 3, then we have to multiply the same number here also. So we will get it as 9:12. The ratio of B and C is 12:13. So we will get the ratio of A, B and C as 9:12:13. So from there we will get A is to C as 9:13. Another question is, a sum of money is to be distributed among A, B, C and D in the proportion 5:2:4:3. If C gets ₹1,000 more than D, what is B's share? So here we are given with the ratios. Some money has been distributed among 4 people, A, B, C and D, and the ratio of the value of the money they got is also given as 5:2:4:3, and relation is also given. For what purpose we are giving the relation? We have to find out the common factor here. If the ratios are given as 5:2:4:3, then the values can be written as A equal to 5x, B is equal to 2x, C is equal to 4x and D is equal to 3x. We have to find out the value of x. Then only we can find out the original sum of money each of the people get. So here we are given with the relation. If C gets ₹1,000 more than D, what is B's share? We have to find out the value of B here, and we have given relation between the value of C and D. If we add 1,000 to the value of D, then we will get the value of C here. So what is the value of C? 4x. 4x is equal to 1,000 more than the value of D. So 4x is equal to 3x plus 1,000. So from this equation, we can get the value of x, right? 4x minus 3x is equal to 1,000. So 4x minus 3 is x itself. X is equal to 1,000. We get 1,000 as the value of x. So we will get the value of b here simply by multiplying 2 with the 1000, because the value of x is 1000 here. So value of b is equal to 2 into 1000, which is equal to 2000. If ratios are given, we have to find that common factor, then only we will get the original value. To find out that common factor, the x, b will be given with some relation. From that relation, we have to find out the value of x and we have to put it in the respective ratios. Then we will get the original value.